Did you know Nantucket's first tourist hotel was built in 1848 on Main Street in Sconset? And just down the road is the site of the first Marconi wireless station, the first U.S. mainland station to receive distress calls from the sinking ship Titanic. Want to learn more about our island's place in history? Download one of our free self-guided biking tours by visiting morenantucket.com. That's morenantucket.com.
If you want to drink, that's your business. If you want to stop, that's for Alcoholics Anonymous.
AA is an inclusive fellowship of individuals all around the world. The one thing you need to ask yourself is, am I ready to do something about my drinking problem?
There is no shame in living with the disease called alcoholism.
For more information, literature, and videos about Alcoholics Anonymous, and to find a meeting near you, visit aa.org. Alcoholics Anonymous has a solution.